guys, what's going on? So we're hanging out in Denver, Colorado. We're gonna take a walk. Let's go and walk around downtown and see what we find. Leo is the tourist guide today. You're in charge.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Let's go home.
We run into this Starbucks and we order some drinks. What did you order?
Green tea frap, and oh my god, I look sunburned.
And I ordered myself a sugar-free cinnamon latte with coconut milk that supports my vegan lifestyle right now. So I'm excited to try that. We'll see how that comes out. I can't even taste the difference between regular milk and coconut milk. What about yours?
Mine's as delicious as always. It's what I always get.
It's a little dog park. If you want to walk your dog, it's a perfect, cool little spot. That's awesome. Let's grab a snack before we go. Look what I found. Vegan pizza. I'm having a slice or two. Really good. This is how we're coming to the end of today's adventure.
Well, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share, people. Share.
And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And we will see you in the next video.
Woohoo! Goodbye.